Hello everyone and welcome back to Chill English Channel. Today we're heading to the airport and don't worry, you'll feel confident in English.
Yeah, picture this. You're traveling, walking into a busy airport, English everywhere, signs, check-in counters, announcements, and maybe a little stress too.
But that's exactly why we're here. Step by step, we'll show you what to say and how to respond in real situations.
Before we jump in, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Chill English Channel. It really helps us keep making lessons like this.
By the end, you'll know how to check in, talk about your luggage, ask questions politely, and even understand airport announcements in natural English.
And the best part? No complicated grammar rules, just the phrases and sentences real English speakers actually use.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you're walking through the airport with us right now.
All right, let's head to the check-in counter together.
Okay, Jake. First thing, let's head to the check-in counter.
All right, but I always feel nervous when I speak to the staff.
No worries. Just smile, be polite, and follow what I say. You'll do great.
Got it. Smile, be polite. Okay, let's try this.
Hello. Good morning. We'd like to check in for our flight, please.
Should I say it too?
Yes, try it. Don't worry, it's simple.
Hello, good morning. We want to check in for our flight, please.
Perfect. That's great. Now, do you have your passports and tickets ready?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Let's hand them over politely.
Here you go. Please.
Perfect. And now the staff will weigh our luggage.
Oh no, my bag looks heavy. Do you think it's too heavy?
Let's ask politely. Excuse me, is my bag too heavy?
Excuse me, is my bag too heavy? No, your bag is fine. Thank you.
See, Jake? Simple and polite. Always ask politely and smile.
Okay, that wasn't so scary after all. I was imagining something much harder.
Now we need to choose our seats. Some people like window seats, some aisle.
I like window seats. What about you?
I usually prefer aisle, but today we'll try the window.
Great. How do we ask politely for a window seat?
Just say, could we have window seats, please?
Could we have window seats, please? Certainly. Here are your boarding passes. Enjoy your flight.
Perfect. That's all for the counter. Now, Jake, next we need to go through security.
Oh, security. I always feel nervous there too.
It's fine. Just follow the instructions. Take off your jacket, put your bag in the tray, and walk through the scanner.
Okay. Shoes off, jacket off, bag in the tray. Wow, that's a lot to remember.
Take it slowly. And if you're not sure, you can always ask the staff politely.
Excuse me, do I take my laptop out? Yes, please. Okay, laptop out. Got it.
Great. Now we walk through the scanner. Don't worry, it's very quick.
Whoa, that was fast.
See? Simple steps. And it's always better to ask than guess.
What about the announcements? I never understand them.
Let's practice. Listen carefully. Flight BA123 to London is now boarding at Gate 5.
BA123, Gate 5, boarding now.
Perfect. One more. Passengers for flight KL456 to Amsterdam, please proceed to Gate 12.
Flight KL456, Amsterdam, Gate 12. Okay, I can do this.
Great. Repeating and listening out loud is key. Try saying it 2 more times with me.
KL456, Amsterdam, Gate 12. KL456, Amsterdam, Gate 12.
Excellent! Even if you don't catch every word, getting the numbers and destination is enough.
That makes sense. I used to panic when announcements were fast.
Don't worry, focus on key words, flight number, gate,
destination, and boarding time. That's all you need to get to the right place.
Okay. And now, the last step before boarding is the gate. How do we ask where the gate is?
Simple. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?
Perfect. And always remember to say please and thank you. It makes a big difference.
Got it. Please, thank you, and smile.
Exactly. Airports are busy, but polite English always works.
I feel much more confident now. It doesn't feel scary anymore.
You did great. Now, let's talk about small things that help. For example, greetings are very simple. Good morning or have a nice flight. Short and friendly.
I like that. Smiling and saying a simple phrase makes everything easier.
Exactly. Another tip, always check signs and listen for repeated announcements. Numbers, flight codes, and gates are repeated a few times.
Oh, so even if I don't catch it the first time, I can hear it again and again.
Yes, that's why listening carefully is so important. You don't need to understand every word.
And repeating out loud helps too, right?
Definitely. Repeat flight numbers, gate numbers, and city names. It helps you feel confident and remember them better.
BA123, Gate 5, London. KL456, Amsterdam, Gate 12. Okay, I can do this.
Great. And one last thing. Confidence comes from practice. Speak with a friend, practice at home, and imagine yourself in the airport.
I feel like I could actually do this in real life now.
You absolutely could. Polite questions, listening for key words, seat requests, luggage phrases, and small talk, these will help you sound natural and confident at the airport.
Awesome. I'm ready for my next flight now.
You did amazing. And once we sit at the gate, we can review all the words and phrases we used today so it sticks even better.
Wow, Jake, that check-in went really smoothly. Let's take a moment to review some of the English we just used at the airport.
Yes, I want to remember everything. I always forget what to say when I'm checking in.
Don't worry, the most important thing is being polite. Words like please, thank you, and excuse me make a huge difference.
Right. For example, I said, "Excuse me, is my bag too heavy?" That worked perfectly.
Exactly, polite and clear. And when we asked for seats, could we have window seats, please? Short, simple, and natural.
I like that one. Easy to remember, polite, and very clear.
Another important thing is listening. At airports, announcements can sound fast, but if you focus on key words like flight numbers, destinations, and gate numbers, you'll understand the important information.
Right. Like when we heard, flight BA123 to London is now boarding at gate 5. I noticed I could understand the flight number and gate even if I didn't catch every word.
Perfect. That's exactly how real travelers manage it. Try this. Imagine an announcement says, Flight KL456 to Amsterdam, boarding at gate 12. Repeat it with me.
Flight KL456, Amsterdam, Gate 12.
Excellent. Even if you miss some words, catching the numbers and the destination is enough to know what to do.
That's really helpful. I always used to panic when I couldn't understand everything.
Don't worry, that's normal. The goal is to get the essential info first. Numbers, flight codes, and gates are usually all you need.
Got it. And speaking is just as important, right?
Exactly. Let's practice asking questions politely. Imagine you're at security and you're not sure about your laptop. How would you ask?
Excuse me, do I need to take my laptop out?
Perfect. And if the staff says yes, respond naturally. Thank you very much. Short, polite, simple.
Okay. Repeat after me. Excuse me, do I need to take my laptop out?
Perfect. And thank you very much after. Short, polite, natural.
Got it. That seems simple now.
Another tip. Small talk is important too.
you can make the experience easier and more friendly. Just a simple good morning or have a nice flight goes a long way.
Oh, that's fun. So I can just smile and say a little sentence and it feels natural.
Exactly, and it helps the staff feel comfortable too. Airports are busy, but politeness always works.
And what about asking about luggage? Sometimes I'm not sure what to say if my bag is heavy.
The key is to be polite and clear. You can say, "Excuse me, is my bag too heavy?" If needed, ask what the limit is. What is the weight limit for checked luggage?
That's useful. And when I'm at the counter, I can say, "Here's my passport and ticket," right?
Yes, and remember to add please and thank you. For example, "Here you go, please," or "Thank you very much." Small words, big difference.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it. What about the boarding pass? How do I ask questions about seats?
Simple. Just say, "Could we have aisle seats, please?" Or "Could we have window seats, please?" You can also ask politely if you want to change your seat. Would it be possible to sit together?
I like that. Short, clear, polite. Easy to remember.
And now, listening again. Announcements are sometimes fast. Focus on key words first: flight numbers, gates, destinations, and boarding time. Then try to catch extra words if you can.
So even if I don't understand every word, I can still follow the flight and know where to go.
Exactly. And don't forget pronunciation. Repeat out loud what you hear. Say the flight numbers, gate numbers, and city names several times.
Okay. BA123, Gate 5, London. KL456, Gate 12, Amsterdam.
Perfect. Repeating like that makes it easier to remember and say confidently in real life.
And one more thing. I noticed when we practiced the phrases together, it felt less scary.
That's exactly the idea. Practicing with someone makes you confident. You can also imagine a friend practicing with you or speak in front of a mirror.
That's helpful. And small talk phrases make the airport experience friendly and less stressful.
Yes, good morning, have a nice flight, and thank you very much are short, simple, and make a big difference.
Okay. I feel like if I go to an airport tomorrow, I could actually do this now.
You definitely could, with polite questions, listening for key words, seat requests, luggage phrases, and a few small talk lines. You'll sound natural and confident.
Awesome. I think repeating all of this out loud and practicing will really help.
Absolutely. Remember, confidence comes from practice and repetition. The more you say it, the easier it becomes.
And listening carefully, focusing on the important words, and asking politely. Got it.
Exactly. That's the secret to feeling comfortable in English at the airport. Wow, Jake! That was a full airport experience. I hope everyone felt like they were right there with us.
Yes, and the best part is, you can actually use these phrases in real life. Polite questions, seat requests, luggage phrases, listening for announcements, all simple but very useful.
Exactly. Let's quickly review the key points. First, always be polite. Please, thank you, excuse me. Short, friendly, and it makes a big difference.
Right, and focus on the important words when listening. Flight numbers, gates, destinations, and times. Even if you don't catch every word, you'll know what to do.
Another tip, repeat the words and phrases out loud. It helps with memory, pronunciation, and confidence.
And don't forget small talk. Good morning, have a nice flight, and a smile go a long way.
Exactly. Airports can feel stressful, but polite English and preparation make it much easier.
I feel so much more confident now. I think anyone can do this after practicing.
That's the idea. Learning English is all about practicing step by step, and using it in real-life situations makes it stick.
If you enjoyed this episode and found it useful, leave a comment and tell us which phrase or tip helped you the most today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Chill English channel. It really helps us make more lessons like this, and you won't miss any new episodes.
Also, if you try these phrases at the airport, let us know how it goes. We love hearing your stories.
That's right. Learning English is more fun when you actually use it in real situations.
And remember, confidence comes from practice.
Even a small step every day makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, stay polite, and enjoy the process.
Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next adventure, and safe travels with your English.
Bye for now. Keep learning and practicing. And remember, you can do it.